Hey Slack user, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable notification on Slack so you never miss an important message or update. Let's get started. First, let's open Slack and navigate to the notification settings. Open Slack on your desktop. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Preference from the drop-down menu. Now, let's turn on notifications so you stay updated. In the Preference menu, click Notification. Under Notify Me About, choose what type of message you want notification for. All new messages, direct messages, and mention nothing. It means mute notification. Make sure Enable Notification on Desktop is turned on. If you are not getting notification, your system setting might be blocking them. Let's fix that. Go to Settings, tap System, tap Notification and Actions, and find Slack and make sure notifications are enabled. And that's it. You now know how to enable notification on Slack and never miss an important update. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Slack tips and tricks. And thank you for watching.